What is going on, YouTube? Today we're working on my 07 GT, and I got these side skirts that I'm installing now. Got these from Street Arrow. You can check them out on Instagram. I'll put their profile at the top of the screen somewhere. So as you can see, they come in this long ass box. I've already, unboxed it and everything. Got it mocked up, so I like the style of it. I like how it looks. I need to see how it looks once I drop the car. I haven't bolted any holes in that side skirt yet, so I'm gonna have to kind of go ahead and do that now. But I didn't want to install it until I got my rear diffuser put on, which y'all saw that video. If you check that video out, I'll link that in the description too. But I wanted to wait to get that diffuser installed, so that way I can have like the full kind of look going on with that side splitter in the back, kind of leading into the splitter for the side skirts. But I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes in here. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing drilled, some holes in it, and we'll see how it looks once the cars drop. They do have instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. They kind of have the how to mount it up, and they do provide you with hardware to use right here. So you have all the screws and everything. So you kind of just follow these directions here. I'm assuming you want to use the same amount of screws that they have like posted here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and so I'm assuming it should be 14. We'll go ahead and get this mounted up, installed, and see how it looks. We have a total of 16 screws and 16 washers, and the instructions say to use a 3/32 drill bit in order to pre-drill your holes in the splitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill 8 holes along this splitter here, and I'm gonna do 8 on the other side. Start here in front. So I guess we'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, did I scratch it? No, I didn't scratch it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, you been heading too long. Hold up the wrist two-tone. Yeah. Run the whip, the wheels on. I been hot too long. Fly to a planet Pluto. I ain't playing hero. I didn't add a 0. And don't forget to add those washers. They do come with washers, so make sure you put those washers on. We now have all 8 screws screwed into the side skirt. So far I like it, but I'm gonna drop it, see how it looks on the ground. Just kind of show y'all how it looks on the ground, and we're gonna move to the opposite side and get that side finished. But overall, like difficulty level, it's like 1 out of fucking 10, to be honest. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. Or I don't know if the camera's angle right, but it's pretty sturdy now. With those screws in there, it's pretty sturdy. As you can see, I'm kind of tugging on it. It's got some good resistance to it. I wouldn't stand on it, but it's actually not bad. But I'm losing daylight. It's getting cold, so I'm gonna move on to the next side, drill those holes, same thing like this side, and get those screws mounted in there. Remember, I use 8 on this side, so we're gonna use 8 on the opposite side. And yeah, let's move on to the next side. This is how it looks. You know how I am, or if you've been following the channel for long enough, you know how I am, man. Stuff has to grow on me. So this is how it looks right now. Kind of get a side view. It's not too bad. I'm gonna have to get used to just like seeing it on the car, I guess. But you can see the way they constructed it kind of flares out in the back. But when I pair it with like the diffuser and that rear side splitter on the back bumper right there, it's not too bad. So it's actually not too bad. And the cool thing about it, I could have got my Instagram right here, or the name that I named my car. You can put anything right here, your name, whatever. But I just chose to go with the standard Street Arrow logo. All right, yeah, that's close to the other side, almost exact. So it's not hard getting it mocked up. It's like, once it's mocked, you're good. You just kind of just go from there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the holes pre-drilled. get the screws locked in, and hopefully we like it. Hopefully I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. But most importantly, hopefully I like it, because I have to drive the car every day. So let's go ahead and get this thing started.
I'm a rich nigga and I'm making, I'm patiently waiting, it's taking too long. You wanna do better, but you doing worse, cause you been hating too long. You been hating too long. Hold up the wrist too.
Got our holes drilled. Go ahead and start getting our screws in here.
Running with the wheels chrome. I been hot too long. Fly to a planet Pluto. I ain't playing hero. I didn't add a zero. Put them comes in a safe, save it for a race. Then I'ma take out shot it. This ain't a place to play. Shit get real around here, shot it. This ain't a place to play. I be posted with none shotters. We can go play for play. Bitch, I'm telling you, I'm gon' pop it.
This is what we got. It's not half bad though. Like, personally, I like it. So we can go ahead and drop the car. I gotta put oil in here. I just did the oil change too. So let's see. We'll see. We drop the car. I will give y'all another video in the daytime to kind of get full look of it. I think I did a decent job with installing them like the same kind of like length to where they stick out. Yeah, so overall I think we did pretty good. All right, so that concludes today's video. We can go ahead and wrap it up now. We are done installing the street aero side skirts on my Mustang. So I'll give y'all a brighter view in the daytime tomorrow, maybe. I don't know. I might edit tonight and just kind of put it out tomorrow. But if I do, you'll see it. If I don't, then whatever. But till next time, guys, Slick Car Repairs, we are done with this video. Till next time, like, share, and subscribe for more content. Peace.
I'm a rich nigga and I'm making, I'm patiently waiting, it's taking too long. You wanna do better, but you doing worse, cause you been hating too long. You been hating too long. Hold up the wrist too tone. Running with the wheels chrome. I been hot too long.